Question for me.
One last question.
Maybe this is last, right?
Yeah,
right.
Okay.
Because I gotta go.
Yeah, it's okay. This is very simple question, like I say just now about talking
Yes.
about got married. That married is success or not? Just give you reason.
Okay. Thank you. Nowadays, my age is around 26. So of course, this is time for us to get it,
26.
to get married. We cannot deny it. We need it as a humankind. It's very important as a Muslim. Yeah, we try to avoid every single of bad things it's gonna happen for us. So of course, we try to try to prevent. Yeah, to prevent bad things. Yeah, but we need something. We need something to prepare. Yeah, we cannot directly focus on getting married because for me, getting married is not like competition. Someone who getting married, this is winner for me because getting married is for pray. It's for pray to be Jannah.
Allah. That's right.
So because we
Allah.
need prepare for all of things. So sometimes your friends, hey, so maybe tomorrow I'm getting married. So will you come to my family wedding party? So for maybe for next year, so your friends will invite you again and again. After that, you will ask to yourself, so when will I get married? You will get depressed in your mind. Of course, in your mind.